Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. I am vlogging my first week at LSU. Today was actually my first day and I didn't vlog any of it. And the reason is because, well, this morning I woke up at 7. My first class, my only class today was at 9 a.m. and I'm a commuter, and I left around 8 o'clock and I got there around 8:30, but I kept looping around trying to find parking. So that took me a hot minute, probably like 15 minutes, honestly. And I started getting worried that I was gonna be late for my first class because I didn't know how far my class was from that parking lot. I parked by like 8:45, got out of my car, grabbed my and I just completely forgot to vlog, so I'm so sorry. But yeah, I had my class in the design building, 2D art with Scott Anderson. I went and got more art supplies for that. So it came in a kit from the same art store that I got all that stuff at. I haven't even opened it to see what all comes in the kit, but I assume that's everything. Oh, my nose is pierced. Oh, forgot about that. For my regular viewers, which isn't many, but if you are one, my nose is pierced. Anyways, after my class, I didn't have any plans, so I went to Pleasant Hall to pick up my Welcome Week t-shirt, which I already threw in the laundry, but it just says 2024 on the back and then it says Welcome Week on the front. It's a pretty cute t-shirt. So I called my friend to see what he was doing, and it turned out that he and one of my other friends were about to go get lunch. We all ended up going to eat in the Union, ate Panda Express, and then we went and hung out for a little bit. After that, I went to the art store, like I said. So now I'm home and I'm exhausted and I have stuff due tomorrow already.
It was good. Thanks for getting us.
Uber. Hey guys, so it is currently August 27th and classes were canceled for today as well. So classes were canceled Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We have yet to hear about tomorrow, Friday. So honestly, they might as well just cancel the rest of the week, or Friday, because they already canceled most of the week except for Tuesday. I just wanted to add in some more supplies that I got the other day off of Amazon, but also the Tuesday that I was on campus, like I said, I think earlier in the video, I picked up more art supplies, so I can show y'all that in a second. So off of Amazon, I got, first of all, these big needle nose pliers. Hopefully this is like the right thing. She said not to get like jewelry pliers. This is for my 3D art class, so we're gonna be working with like wire and things like that. Oh yeah, everything that I'm showing right now is for this 3D art class. So the next thing I got was this Rieger knife. It's a utility knife. She wanted a heavy duty knife, and I also got the replacement blades that came with it. So there's 100 blades that come in here. It's safe to say I don't know what I'm doing with this, in case that wasn't obvious. Okay, got it. The next thing I got was this hot glue gun. I do have a hot glue gun already, but it's like a really small one, and it's like covered in hot glue. It's crusty, and it has like ugly words like craft, live, laugh, love. Honestly, let me just show y'all what it looks like. Diva, sparkly, so sparkly, shiny, glamour girl, queen. Yeah. Came with like 20 glue sticks. And then here's the actual glue gun itself, so not much else to say about that. And then lastly, for this class, I got some safety goggles. They're good enough, I guess. Well, whatever these things are called, they're adjustable to fit your face. Okay, so for my 2D art class, here it came with this 17 well artist palette. And in this little bag came a bunch of stuff. X-Acto knife, some little paintbrushes, Micron ink pens, 3 of them. Your standard drawing pencils, so you know, B, 6B, 4B, Elmer's rubber cement, a little eraser, and some more Black India ink. This artist organizer primary color mixing set, so it's just paint tubes, and you can mix them and make all kinds of colors. And then this big pad of Bristol paper. I also got a sketch pad, but it's over there, so I'm not gonna go get it, but it's just a wire bound sketch pad with 100 pages in it. This metal ruler with a cork back, and then this French curve set. So yeah, that's about it, folks. Hey, so I'm the world's vlogger. In my defense, this wasn't even the first full week of school, so I will definitely be vlogging my first full week, which starts in like a day, I guess, because today's Saturday. I just took my first quiz of the semester. I was kind of scared. It was for my art history class, 1440. This class is fully online, and normally we'd only be doing Zooms like once a week, and they're supposed to be on Wednesdays, but class was canceled on Wednesday because of Hurricane Laura. Well, this entire week we were just like didn't go to school because of the 2 hurricanes that were supposed to combine, and then Hurricane Marco like got scared and left. So overall, we only had 2 days of school. Anyways, so I had to join this Zoom, and I was gonna connect to the Wi-Fi from my car in the parking lot on campus. The Wi-Fi didn't reach, so my friend was like, I'm going to the Union, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to the Union too. I'm gonna connect to the Wi-Fi, I'll join the Zoom. And on the way to the Union, I pretty much got lost because I have a horrible sense of direction. So I was sweating my off. I was wearing a Adidas half zip with like thumb holes and a tennis skirt. I got to the Union. People who don't go to LSU or who have never heard of that, it's just like our food, like a food court with fast food places in it, and people go there to like study. That's kind of the gist of it. Anyways, so I just sat in one of the little comfy chairs at a table by myself, and everyone has to wear masks in that area. So I joined the Zoom like 10 minutes late, and there's 200 people in that class. I'll insert some clips. So I had to watch like 4 videos that he recorded of himself, like what art history is and how historians kind of look at art, like sculptures and things like that, and the process they go through. So I kind of like took some notes for my quiz because I was kind of nervioso, but it ended up being super easy. I got 4 out of 4 on it. Overall, my classes are like drawing related except for 2. So I have like that art history class, and then I have a US history class, and I met the professor yesterday, so I'll insert a clip of that. There's 200 people in that class also. It's an auditorium for 1,000 people, and we all spread out. But yeah, he seemed really cool. Actually, like just based off of what he talked about, and I don't know, he just seemed like a really cool guy. It's only like a 45-50 minute class. So I'm chilling. I will update probably on Monday. So update, it's Sunday, and I found out that I have like acute strep basically, and it even hurts to talk right now. I can still go to class, so my doctor said I could. I got this immunity defense shot from Walmart. It has turmeric in it. I thought this would help me out a little bit. I gotta take the horse pills. All I have to say is F amoxicillin. It kills off your good bacteria, ladies, and it can cause lady problems. I did have to go to the doctor again and get medication for that, but I'm good now, and I'm eating yogurt. So if you catch my drift, you catch my drift, and if you don't, then mind your business. You know what I'm saying? It's currently September 16th, and I'm just now finishing editing this video, so anyways. And then I have my oral rinse holding up my phone right now. So I'm just gonna take this shot. I've never been the best at taking shots. Wait, shots? What am I talking about? Oh, it stinks. That's spicy. That's burning my throat. But hopefully it helps. And I'm gonna eat some mashed potatoes. Okay, squirrel just jumped up in a tree. I'm currently trying to find the same building. My throat feels okay right now, but it kind of hurts, so I'm not in the good mood. There's a person over there, so I'm gonna stop vlogging now.
To it in the sense that your white lines are extending to those points on both sides.
So neither of us have our umbrella. So we're gonna be in our next class, so currently it is September 2nd. I got home from my classes today. I finished at 1:20-ish today. Eating chicken noodle soup. This morning I took a COVID test because they're free on campus. And you're probably thinking, why the f you go to class if you think you have COVID? Well, I don't think I have COVID actually. Like I said earlier in the vlog, I got a sore throat and I went to the doctor, and they had no concerns about COVID. But my mom was like, you might as well just get a test on campus, like they're free and you can have peace of mind. And I think mainly with her, she wants peace of mind. So I went and took it. It's a self swab, and it was like right in front of the Union, and they like tell you to keep sticking it in there, and then they tell you when to stop. It's actually not that bad, but my eyes watered and it did hurt when you're gonna twist it around and stuff, but it was really fast. But other than the sore throat, which I got diagnosed at the doctor with, I feel completely fine. I have no other symptoms from COVID, and I know you can be asymptomatic. I'll get the results in like 3 to 5 days, so I will definitely update this vlog and let y'all know. It came back positive. I'm just kidding. I got my results on September 2nd. It came back negative like I thought it would. So yeah, I would include the screenshot of like the proof, but I'm too lazy. I don't know. I'm just cooling. I have a project that's due tomorrow that is done. I just need to like glue stuff down basically. And tomorrow's gonna suck because I have to haul art supplies across campus. So anyways, I'm gonna go back to eating my soup and watching YouTube. I didn't eat lunch. I made a friend in my drawing composition class, and she gave me a cookie. So I had 2 waffles and a cookie, and that's all I've eaten today. Currently at Atkinson getting my shoot to work on for the weekend. There's nobody in here. But I think I'm just gonna go home. So I'm home now, clearly. These are my safety goggles, and I'm gonna take these off. First, like a college recap at LSU. It was actually really fun. I really liked college so far. I thought I was going to dread my 3-hour classes back to back, but they actually were not that bad. And I don't even know if it'll be like that every week because my 2D art class like switches what day we go in pretty much every week. My workload isn't too terrible. I do have some stuff to be doing after this wire project because I'm gonna be gone this weekend in Florida. I'm coming back Monday. Yes, I did go to Florida for Labor Day weekend. Sorry if that is like controversial. I mean, it is what it is. Someone may find like a problem with me saying that, or even just traveling in general, and you know, that's completely fine. You are entitled to your opinion and whatever, but that's not gonna change the fact that I went on the trip. So anyways, I'm gonna include a little clip from jet skiing side GoPro. That's the shore, there's other people. It's scary, low-key. My dad keeps telling me to go faster, but like, I don't want to go faster. Just kidding, I'm not going to do real speed while holding this tripod, because I'll probably fly off, and I definitely don't want to do that, so yeah, I just wanted to update about my week and how it went. Sorry I didn't get like horizontal clips. A lot of the clips were vertical because I didn't want to vlog when people were around me, which was a lot of the time. So I just wanted to pop in real quick and say that the next few clips you're gonna see are actually from my second week, I guess, at LSU, just to show y'all like a little bit more of like the classroom setting that I'm in. There's only nobody in here yet. But also I'm going to show my like completed wire project because I included it in this vlog and just never showed y'all how it ended up looking. And it ended up being like alright. I'm not sure about the whole spray painting situation, but my professor said that she really actually liked the different colors on it. So fine by me. But yeah, overall that shoot took me like maybe over 6 hours to do. Voiceover. We have an overflow room in that hall. So the overflow room is just like an extra work room we can go in. And I was by myself at that moment, but I was working on my project. But there was other people in there earlier. I started at home, and then I worked on it some more. And then here are some pictures of the final project. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this though, I will like gladly do more LSU vlogs. Thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below somewhere. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It's the same handle for both. Go Tigers, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.